We live in extraordinary times. The pace of technological advancement is accelerating at an unprecedented rate, reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. For centuries, stories of artificial beings with human-like intelligence have captivated our imaginations. From the mechanical automata of ancient myths to the sentient robots of modern science fiction, the idea of creating machines that can think and feel like humans has been a persistent dream. Today, we stand at the cusp of a new era where science fiction is rapidly transforming into reality. The advancements in artificial intelligence are not just incremental, they are revolutionary, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. Artificial intelligence, once a distant dream, is now interwoven into the fabric of our daily lives. From virtual assistants that help us manage our schedules to smart home devices that anticipate our needs, AI is becoming an integral part of our everyday existence. From the smartphones in our pockets to the cars we drive, AI is quietly revolutionizing the world around us. These intelligent systems are not just tools, they're becoming our partners, enhancing our capabilities and transforming our experiences. But this is just the beginning. The potential of AI extends far beyond the conveniences of daily life. In research labs and tech hubs around the world, scientists and engineers are pushing the limits of what AI can achieve. As we delve deeper into the realm of thinking machines, we unlock unprecedented possibilities that have the potential to reshape our future in profound ways. AI is not just about automation, it's about augmentation, enhancing human abilities and opening new frontiers of knowledge and innovation. This is the dawn of a new era, an era where machines can learn, adapt, and even surpass human capabilities in remarkable ways. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. It is an era filled with both immense promise and complex challenges. The rise of AI brings with it questions about ethics, privacy, and the future of work. How we navigate these challenges will determine the impact of AI on our society. And it is an era that demands our attention, our understanding, and our active participation. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial that we engage with these technologies thoughtfully and responsibly, ensuring that they serve the greater good. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, its transformative power, and the incredible opportunities it presents for those bold enough to shape its future. Together, we will uncover the mysteries of AI, understand its potential, and envision a future where humans and machines work together in harmony. At its core, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks are not just limited to simple computations or repetitive actions, but extend to more complex activities that involve understanding, reasoning, and even adapting to new situations. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and even creativity. For instance, AI can learn from vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions based on that information. It can solve intricate problems that would take humans much longer to figure out. Imagine a computer program that can compose a symphony, diagnose diseases with expert precision, or drive a car through bustling city streets. These are not just futuristic fantasies, but real-world applications of AI that are being developed and refined every day. This is the promise of AI. It holds the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to entertainment and beyond. AI systems are designed to mimic human cognitive abilities, but they often surpass our limitations. They can perform tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that is difficult for humans to achieve. They can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, identify subtle patterns invisible to the human eye, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. This ability to handle and analyze big data is one of the key strengths of AI. But AI is not a monolithic entity. It is a diverse field with various branches and specializations, each contributing to the overall advancement of technology. It encompasses a wide range of techniques and approaches, each with its unique strengths and applications. From machine learning and neural networks to natural language processing and robotics, the scope of AI is vast and ever-expanding. Let's delve into some of the key areas that make up the exciting field of artificial intelligence. These include advancements in machine learning algorithms, breakthroughs in neural network architectures, and innovations in AI-driven automation and robotics. Each of these areas is pushing the boundaries of what is possible and opening up new possibilities for the future. Imagine teaching a computer to identify different types of flowers. Instead of programming explicit rules for every possible flower, we can use machine learning. We feed the computer a massive data set of flower images, each labeled with its corresponding species. The computer then analyzes these images, learning the unique features that distinguish one flower from another. This process of learning from data is the essence of machine learning. It enables computers to improve their performance on a given task without being explicitly programmed for that specific task. Machine learning algorithms can be used for a wide range of applications, from predicting customer churn to filtering spam emails. There are different types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each approach offers unique advantages for specific problem domains. Section 4. Deep Learning Unlocking Complex Patterns. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level. It is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep. It involves training artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain to learn complex patterns from massive datasets. These networks can automatically learn to perform tasks by considering examples, generally without task-specific programming. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information. Each node or neuron processes input and passes it to the next layer, gradually refining the data. Imagine a deep learning model designed to recognize faces in images. This model would be trained on thousands or even millions of images to learn the intricate details of human faces. The first layer might detect simple edges and lines. These basic features are the building blocks for more complex patterns. Subsequent layers then learn to identify more complex features such as eyes, noses, and mouths. Each layer builds upon the previous one, recognizing increasingly sophisticated patterns. Finally, the output layer combines all this information to accurately recognize individual faces. This process allows the model to distinguish one face from another with high precision. Deep learning has revolutionized fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. In computer vision, it enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world. It enables machines to achieve human-level or even superhuman performance on tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human intelligence. This includes recognizing speech with near-perfect accuracy, translating languages in real time, and even generating human-like text. The applications of deep learning are vast and varied, from autonomous vehicles that can navigate complex environments to AI-driven medical diagnostics that can identify diseases with remarkable accuracy. Deep learning is at the forefront of technological innovation. As we continue to unlock the potential of deep learning, we are paving the way for a future where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing our capabilities and transforming the way we interact with the world. Section 5. Natural Language Processing, bridging the gap between humans and machines. Language is the cornerstone of human communication. Natural language processing, or NLP, empowers computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's the technology behind virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, language translation services, and even predictive text on your smartphone. NLP algorithms analyze text and speech, extracting meaning and context from the intricate nuances of human language. This enables machines to engage in conversations, translate languages, summarize documents, and even write creative content. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to AI-powered legal assistants that analyze complex contracts, NLP is transforming the way we interact with technology and with each other. Section 6. Computer vision. Giving machines the gift of sight. Just as our eyes allow us to perceive the world around us, computer vision enables machines to see and interpret visual information. This field encompasses a wide range of techniques that allow computers to extract meaning from images and videos. Imagine a self-driving car navigating a busy street. Computer vision algorithms analyze images from cameras to identify pedestrians, other vehicles, traffic signs, and road conditions. This information is then used to make real-time driving decisions, ensuring the safety of passengers and pedestrians alike. Computer vision is also used in healthcare for medical image analysis, in manufacturing for quality control, and in security for facial recognition systems. Its applications are as diverse as the world we see.